Hello. Thank you for visiting our channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make this trifold pocket invitation with a design inspired by Coquette bows. It is perfect for a celebration that is both sweet and elegant. Our download includes two SVG versions of the file. One is with score lines, to be used with the scoring stylus or scoring wheel. And the other file, starting with SVG, has dashed cut lines attached to the design. This one doesn't require any extra setup, just load and cut. This card has an assembled size of 5 by 7 inches. I will be using the file configured for score lines. Once the file is loaded into Cricut Design Space, expand the layers in the right-hand panel. Identify the fold lines and change the operation menu from cut to score. There are two lines, one for the folder side and another for the pocket side. Click Ungroup using the top icon on the right side. Next, select each card layer along with its respective score line and click Attach. Our card is now ready to cut. Notice that both the cut and score functions are active on each cutting mat. Now, I will select my favorite cut setting, cardstock for intricate cuts, and I'll choose the scoring stylus here. It's time to cut. In this case, I am using a 91-pound pearl coral cardstock, but you can also use 80-pound cardstock. Now, it's time to head to our cutting machine. Here are my recommendations for a perfect cut. Number 1, use a cutting mat with enough grip. Number 2, make sure your blade is sharp. Number 3, use high-quality, 80-pound cardstock. Number 4, use the intricate cut setting. And number 5, this one is optional, use the mirror function when cutting. It is an intricate and beautiful cut. To make this trifold pocket card, you will need 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 or 12 by 12 inch cardstock, some glue, and a sheet of 8.5 by 11 inch cardstock for the inserts. Now, it's time to assemble. Fold both pieces along the score lines and sharpen the creases with your bone folder. Now, join the 2 layers by gluing the side tab. Glue the tabs for the pocket. For the inserts, I'm using these invitations I've already printed. The main insert size is 4.9 by 6.9 inches, and it includes this beautiful gold frame. The text prints are 4.75 by 6.75 inches. Place the inserts into their corresponding spots, and your invitation is ready. We've also included the envelope template in the download. It's perfect for 5 by 7 inch invitations. You will need 65-pound paper or cardstock in a 12 by 12 inch size to make it. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel. We will keep sharing more and more new videos and SVG designs so you can do more with your cutting machine.